Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today let us discuss some of the very unique features of the remedy anacardium, which I have seen and used those symptoms in my clinical practice. And these symptoms are well proved in my practice because I have got good results with these symptoms. Of course, the duality, the contradictory symptoms, that symptoms of anacardium are there, but I have found some very interesting symptoms of anacardium mind which I would like to share. An anacardium patient I have seen is a very ambitious patient, and he wants to achieve something in life. उसको life में कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है. He wants to be an achiever. There are other remedies also who wants to achieve in life, but anacardium I have seen is a remedy who wants to achieve lots in life. He has a desire to achieve, and with this symptom, do compare one or two remedies. Of course, first remedy that you should compare is Nux vomica. Second is Coffea cruda. Coffea cruda is also a very interesting remedy if you go to see that he wants to achieve something in life. And when an anacardium patient decides he wants to do he will do that only, and he will not listen to anybody. He will not like to hear no in what he wants to do. वो नहीं सुनना पसंद नहीं करता, इसलिए जब भी उसको हम किसी चीज के लिए नहीं बोलते हैं, the complaint starts, the anger starts, the maliciousness, the violence starts. इसलिए बहुत अच्छा symptom लिखा गया मटेरियल के elements from contrary. He cannot hear no. Elements from contrary. Again, with this symptom, again you have to compare remedies. The first remedy you have to compare with this again Nux vomica. See how close is Nux vomica. Elements from contrary. Again Nux vomica. Again Coffea cruda. With anacardium, and one remedy which is more, that is lachesis. So we have two symptoms: achieve desires to and elements from contrary. Anacardium, Nux vomica, Coffea, they come very close to each other, and sometimes we always fail to understand one of the remedies and we give Nux vomica. So much the anacardium patients become angry if he is not understood well, that whatever you tell him, he will take absolutely in that negative frame of mind. You tell something good also to an anacardium patient, he'll think that it might be something will happen. He will never say that you are right, because the anger is so violent that he takes everything in the bad part. ये सिर्फ anacardium में दोस्तों, जो भी चीज आप अच्छा भी बोलेंगे तो उसको बुरा ही लगने वाला. So anacardium patient is a very interesting patient who takes everything in a bad part. And when he has this symptom, there's a lot of anxiety in the anacardium patient. Of course, there are a lot of combinations of anxiety in anacardium, but I have found typically the patient says anxiety, especially in the chest, in the sternum. यहाँ से उसको लगेगा कुछ तो भी हो रहा है, something is happening here, and that's a very, very important symptom of anacardium anxiety. Do look in your practice this anxiety in chest, especially anxiety in the region of sternum. With that, you can compare one remedy, that is, I think, Brownie alba. And this anger does not stop here. When he feels as if devils are around him. There's a delusion that as if devils are around him. There's a lot of delusion, or he may have a delusion that is a lot of casualties he sees. That's a delusion of casualties, delusion of devil around him. He's so ambitious. This is what I have seen in my practice. And as you go further in regards to anger and all, there's a lot of fear also in anacardium. What if he does not perform? What if he does not achieve? And that keeps playing in the mind. And what the important modality of anacardium, fear, the fear is better by eating. This is, he feels much better when he eats. My dear friends, note, ये symptom note कर लीजिए. अगर कोई patient बोलता है कि मुझे खाना खाने के बाद मेरा डर कम हो जाता है, think about only two remedies what I have seen in my practice में. First is anacardium, and second is graphitis. Graphitis also comes very close in this symptom. उसको अच्छा लगता है जब खाना खाता है तो डर उसका कम हो जाता है. Again, a very, very important PQRS symptom of these two remedies. And now maybe because of lot of stress to achieve, there comes a state where he suffers from weakness of memory. And suddenly he wakes up in the morning and he just forgets what he has to do, what he has done, and what he is doing. So there is especially weakness of memory or loss of the memory, especially in the morning, or you can say it aggravates in the morning. As the day goes by, maybe he feels better, especially in the afternoon. So anacardium patient starts with weakness of memory in the morning, or you can have in the forenoon, aggravation morning, forenoon, but better in the afternoon, or everything is better in the amelioration in the afternoon. A very, very interesting symptom of anacardium. You know, these symptoms are, that's why I'm telling you, because every symptom in anacardium is so linked because of the achieving capacity of anacardium. So weakness of memory, aggravation in the morning, think about anacardium, think about sternum metallicum. That is also a wonderful remedy of this symptom, and one remedy, and that is Cilicia. So these are very, very, very important symptom of anacardium that you have to look and see in your practice. Of course, I do remember one disposition that you should remember in anacardium, and it is very well written in a material, that is wicked disposition, W-I-C-K-E-D, wicked disposition, and that is anacardium. And again, do compare the disposition, wicked disposition, anacardium with Nux vomica, Cuprum metallicum, and Cocculus indicus. These are again very important remedies for these type of disposition. Of course, there are 3-4 other remedies, but I can recall these 3 remedies which I have used in my practice with very good results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.